Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is our fourth video in gender prediction using machine learning. So, just to remind you of what we covered in our previous tutorial number 3. In our previous tutorial, we learned how to make a data conversion where we converted the oral F to 0 and oral M to 1 in a column named sex. In this video, we are going to cover feature selection and feature extraction. So we will learn the meaning of feature selection, why we need it, how to do it. Also, we'll learn the meaning of feature extraction, why we need it, and how to do. So by starting with feature selection, feature selection is dividing columns into X and Y. We need to divide our column into input. I mean those columns which can be like input to get the value of Y. Let me show you a simple way. Let's say Y is equal to 2x plus 1. So in our columns we need to this is our class we predict. So let's say this is the class we want to predict a gender is a male or female, and this is column we need to input here so that we can get the value of Y. So we need to separate our column between input, I mean X values, and Y, which is the class we want to predict. That is called the feature selection. Why we need feature selection? We need feature selection because we want to get X features or X column, which are the input, and the Y column, which is the output or is the class we want to predict. And now we are going to do we have learned the meaning of feature selection, why we need it. So now we are going to do how to do feature selection. As my methodology of teaching, I'm using what, why, and how. So this the next part is how we do feature selection. So here we need to divide. We need to divide our feature. Let me say data frame X is equal to data underscore names, then a bracket name. So all names of our data set are going to be stored in a df data frame underscore X, and data frame underscore Y is equal to data underscore names, then you put sex. So far we have split, or we have divided our data set into input and output. Input are those columns except the last column, which is the class we want to predict, and Y is the class, the last column, the class we want to predict. So let's see the shape and the head of our feature. Let's say df underscore x dot shape, df underscore y dot shape, Yes, that's it. Here, let me put comment and the light feature feature selection, and let me learn this cell. Oh, okay. Let me remove. So, uh, X and Y have the same rows. They have 125,000 shillings and 8. So this is feature selection. Here we can do something like df underscore x dot head to view first five first five rows. You see? Yeah. Let me copy this. Copy. Let me run this cell. Run this cell. Let's view our first five. Our first five name: Mary, Anna, Emma, Elizabeth. Yes. And let's see our first five rows of the sex column. Let me learn this cell. So here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's it. So far we have learned the meaning of feature selection, why we need feature selection, and how to do feature selection. So our next part and our last part in our fourth video is feature extraction. So what is the meaning of feature extraction? Our feature extraction are the methods which learn vocabularies from documents and calculate numeric statistic for each words. Uh, let me explain the meaning of feature extraction in few words. We have column called the name, which have names of males and female. So we need feature extraction to extract these vocabularies and calculate numeric statistic for each name. That's why we need feature extraction. And if you were together with me in our previous machine learning tutorial series for comment prediction, we did feature extraction because we wanted to extract uh, important feature in comments. We wanted to extract important feature from YouTube comments. So here again, we want to extract important feature from names of males and females. There are several methods using for feature selection like TfidfVectorizer, there is the DictVectorizer, there is CountVectorizer, but so far I prefer to use the CountVectorizer. So this, this DFX, which contain the names of males and female, we are going to extract it. So let's do here. Let me learn this cell. Okay. So here we are going to write corpus. Corpus is equal to D underscore X. So for those who have learned natural language processing, know the meaning of corpus. Corpus is just a correction of text, a correction of written text. So all names, the names of males and females is the correction of written text stored in document. So corpus is equal to df underscore x, then vectorizer, vectorizer is equal to CountVectorizer, my favorite method using for feature extraction, CountVectorizer. Then x is equal to vectorizer dot fit underscore transform. Then we path call pass, which is the correction of right-hand text, corpus, something like this. Let me put comment here and highlight it that we are doing feature extraction in machine learning. So let's learn this cell. Yeah, so far we have transformed our column of names to numeric value and store the value in variable called x. So this is how to do feature selection and a feature extraction in machine learning. This is our fourth video in gender prediction tutorial series using machine learning. So to put a summary of what we have covered in this video, we have learned the meaning of feature selection, which is just an act of selecting your feature into two groups. First group is input stand by x, and the second group is y stand by output. I will learn the why we need feature selection. It is because we want to have feature for inputting and a feature for output. We need two groups of feature to input and a feature to output. That is the class we predict. We learned how to do feature selection, and the last part of this video was feature extraction, which learning vocabularies from document and calculate numeric statistic for each words. And we have learned why we need feature extraction. We need feature extraction because most of our algorithm we need or like to treat data if they are in numeric values, and the feature extraction calculate numeric statistic for each words. And we learned how to do feature extraction using CountVectorizer. So this is the end of our first YouTube video in gender prediction tutorial series using machine learning. In our fifth video, we'll learn how to train and test split, we can divide our data set into train and test group, and how to fit or to train a logarithm. So our fifth video will cover these two parts: dividing dataset into training and test group, then training a logarithm. Thanks for watching. This is the end of video number 4 in our YouTube, in our gender prediction tutorial series using machine learning. Do not miss next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for next video updates. Goodbye.